Apricot's nest, apricot's nest. We'll sing and we'll learn because birds are the best. Apricot's nest, apricot's nest. We'll sing and we'll learn on Apricot's nest. Hello, hello. Welcome back to Apricot's Nest. I'm Emma, the bird lady. A couple weeks ago, we asked you on our Instagram page if you had any suggestions for future birds you'd like to learn about. A few of you suggested they'd love a video on this noisy and common backyard bird. Any guesses?
It's time to guess, what is this bird? Can you guess with me? It is a mystery.
Did you recognize that bird? What was it? Blue jay. The blue jay is a larger woodland songbird that has a grayish-white belly and various striking blue patterns on its back, head, and tail.
Tweet, tweet, where do they sleep? Where do they live?
Have you ever seen a blue jay when you've been out and about? They love to be in the forest and the woods, high up in the trees, even around trails and parks. And because they're not very scared of humans, they'll even be found in cities in our own backyards.
Tweet, tweet, what do they eat? Let's talk about their food.
Now, what do blue jays like to snack on? They love acorns. They've actually been known to be responsible for planting oak trees around our communities because they'll drop acorns along the way when they're flying by. Blue jays also like to eat peanuts, seeds. They'll come to our bird feeders, often in flocks of other blue jays, and they like bugs and insects too. It's time for some more fun facts. So on the top of the blue jay's head, they have a crest similar to the cardinal, which we looked at a few videos ago. But when they're resting or they're feeling peaceful, maybe eating their food or feeding their babies, their crest will actually fall down. They'll be able to lower that crest. But then when they're feeling perky or they're on alert, maybe they're scared or feeling feisty, that'll stand back up again.
These birds may look just like a bird, but they are another bird.
A Steller's jay is in the same family as a blue jay, but they are native to the west coast of North America, and they have a black head and crest instead of the blue and white colors of the blue jay. Eastern bluebirds are much less common here on the east coast of North America. They're smaller than a blue jay, so despite both of them being blue though, the eastern bluebird has reddish colors on its chest and belly, whereas the blue jay is white, blue, and black. It's time for the bird quiz again. If you know these birds in the next couple videos, shout them out and we'll test your knowledge at the end.
Bird quiz, let's all test our knowledge. Bird quiz, let's learn, kids, put on your thinking cap.
How did you do? Our first bird was a northern cardinal. The second one was a blue jay. And the third one was a black-capped chickadee. Thanks for playing. Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode of Apricot's Nest. I hope you learned something new about the blue jay. And maybe the next time you're out on a walk, you'll see one. But if you don't see one, you're very likely to hear them because they surely are noisy birds. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon. Cheep, cheep.
Listen for their tweets on Apricot's Nest. Apricot's Nest. We'll sing and we'll learn because birds are the best. Apricot's Nest.